How's it going, everyone? I wanted to make a video on, on a trading loss that I had because, everybody says, oh, you see on social media, I won this, this, and that. And nobody actually tells you the realistic results of trading. In my honest opinion, the best traders are the ones that are good losers. And when I looked at GWAV, I played it way back here in August, so 0802. And it's just been very stagnant, and we had a beautiful day up, right? It pumped up 30%, even more. It went to like a high of, it says we went at a high of 0.6370. But when I was looking at my system here, I was like really excited here because we started to hit this lower band here. We had, massive time distance away from the EMA 5. And I was like, man, this is looking really good. And look what happened. It just kept going down and down and down and down and down. And I'm like, scratching my head. I'm like, wow. And I don't see this much. And that's when I got to be like, man, you just got to take a loss, and it is what it is. But what I updated my strategy, and this is why I am so strict with pennies. Even though we have the time distance from the EMA 5, that's fine. You have to have that, but we got to make sure everything is in line. Yes, this lower band here, this green band, with if you guys know my settings, you know what I look for. This is a buy zone, but you cannot treat it just like buy. You got to control yourself, even if you have no plays. The times that I see where people lose is boredom. They have no trades they're playing, and so they have to have a trade they play. And that's kind of what I did here. I was like, I want to give my Discord team a good win, right? And well, here's what happened. I ended up taking a loss. Some people actually made money on this because it spiked pre-market and stuff like that. I was trying to hold for more gains, and that's another thing I want to talk about. Never get greedy with pennies. If you have a gain, do not lose that gain, especially if it's a 10% gain. Even if it's 5%, try to make sure you keep that gain and not lose it. But as you can see, we haven't touched the EMA 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Usually you don't see anything longer than 14, and then you have this quick reversion of the mean. And how convenient that the algos see this level and then they take it down more, and then the next level they see is this EMA 10. This is so algo driven, it's nuts. But what we want to do is try to not fight against these algos. As you can see, when you hover over this green band for 6 daily candles, that is your best setup plus EMA 5 time distance. It's beautiful. But as you can see right in here, also, why did I take this when the K value is 6.10? That's another thing to ask yourself. And I'm like, man, yeah, I would not have taken that. And then I look, this candle's here is a 4, this candle's a 3, this candle's a 3, and then a 3. And then right in here under 3, it meets my system. I have to have at least under a 3 on a K. It gives you very nice entries. And then also, if you waited 6 daily candles, if you guys know that when you tug the band like this and this kind of staircase pattern like this is extremely bullish, and you get a nice move up here. And it's not like insane, but a 35% move up is amazing. All you need is 10 to 20%. Take those 10%, scale out, and try to trail and stop the rest. And then this move up here, as big as it sounds, this was, this was a around a 40-50% move max. But this move right here alone, is about almost the same size because of how low the price was, right? It was still a good, decent move. But and that's what I really want to tell you guys is always take the games, because you don't want to be in this riffraff where, you see how long you're just constantly holding and it's just consolidating. This could easily plummeted down. So I wanted to make a quick video on this. We have 11 million volume on this. The move shows what it is. I like GWAV, it's just I played it wrong, and so I just wanted to show you guys, if you're using my system, this is a mistake that I did, and I learned from it, and I will not do that again. Biggest thing is the K value has to be under 3. Next thing, do not buy it just because it hits this lower band. A lot of the times it will bounce, but in the rare cases it don't, you're going to have some of these situations, and these do happen quite some time. I can show you multiple things. Another one that that I did, I will show you, and I actually did win on this one, is you can see on ticker Mon, one of the crappiest stocks in the world, but when you see this pattern, you get a massive bounce. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tugging this lower band. And then look at this, from the lows to the high, everyone was able to make money. That was 150% gain. And so I just wanted to show you one of the trashiest stocks out there that should be delisted and, you know, do reverse splits like nothing. But and it's the same pattern with GWAV, right? You don't just buy it at the lower band. You wait till you have a low K value, and then you know what your targets are, your EMA 5, 10, and 20. Always target the EMA 5 first, then your 10. But always take the gains no matter what. All right, guys, I just want to really share this. This was a trade I did lose, you know, way back here in August. And I just wanted to share about it and, you know, just say, hey, guys, you know, traders do lose. If you lose on a trade, and that doesn't mean the system doesn't work. You know, all of the systems have, you know, probabilities of not working. You just got to understand, like, if you do these kind of setups, this would be an A+ setup. So the chances of this working is way over 90 percent chance of winning. It's really high, especially with my accumulation rules. But this is a very nice setup. I think you guys, anybody that, you know, if you see this type of pattern, these are the plays that I love to do. You know, you have EMA 5 time distance, massive, like 13 daily candles. You have this, you know, tugging this ATR4. And just like, I'll just show you a stock that recently just went. Same patterns. You'll see this all the time. Look at this. Massive EMA 5 time distance. I made a video about Wint, that it's going to pump big. Look at this. We haven't touched this EMA 5 all the way over here. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And so you can see how you quickly hit it. And then also look what you did. You tugged this lower band here for about 5 to 6 daily candles. And then what happens is you have this massive pump, and we went up about 68% from the lows. So that's the kind of setups I want to look for. Yeah, I just want to keep, you could see this, back test it. It's a very nice system. If you guys want to join the Discord and have this system for yourself and be a part of a community that, you know, alerts plays, you know, we have stock suggestions and all that. It's really awesome. It's a very positive community. If you want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the YouTube description. So just go to the YouTube comments. You can't miss it. When you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to subscribe to the highest tier, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts here, and that will give you everything. If not, you can hit server shop and you kind of look around. What I talked about with swing trading, it's only $6 a month. I mean, you're not going to cancel any time if you lose money or you're not understanding it. But I'm going to work my butt off to make sure you guys understand how to fish. But the Day and Swing Trading Plus is the most value service. You get day trades with swing trades. Day trades is my favorite service because if you want to be a full-time trader, you're going to have to know how to day trade, and then swing trading is just icing on the top of the ice cream, and that's just more profits for you. You know, more alerts, more entries, more exits. $12 a month, you get access to everything. Subscribe on your computer, you'll avoid the iOS fee. But as you can see, you're going to have day trading education, swing trading education, or journal, day trade chat, lots of stuff in here. I really hope you guys enjoy it. But please watch all the education videos, because the main thing I want you guys to do is definitely learn how to fish, and like little stuff like this, you can see what algos do. Like, why did GWAV start rejecting up here at this upper band here? Well, chances are is that, you know, that is where this is a sell zone, and that's why I had this here, because I know never to buy here. If I'm ever going to buy, it's got to be at the lower band, and if I'm going to buy up here, then maybe day trades only, as this is where volume picks up, and yes, you can day trade that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is GWAV. I just wanted to make an update on it, on my mistakes on it, and I hope everyone learns from it. And if you made mistakes like this, that's all part of learning. And this is, you know, the part of my system where if you see these type of patterns, I showed you plenty of examples, this is where you're going to make the most money. If you do one of these trades, you know, a week, that is very nice. So hope to see you guys in the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and let's make some money together. Peace out, guys, and happy trading.